how to download Meta Llama 3. So first things first, head over to your Google browser and type this in and click onto the first link. Once you're into the first link, you're gonna navigate and see the basic homepage of this website that is powered by Meta. You're gonna scroll all the way down and click on download Llama 3. And once here, you're gonna fill in this specific form. Let's just say I'm gonna type in the basic details. Let's put in the country and region as well. Enter in our email credentials and then type in the organization or affiliation that you're working with. I'm not affiliated with any specific organization, so I'll just type XYZ and then select the models that you want to access. Since we're going for Llama 3, we're going to go ahead with that. But the recommended one that they have is this one, which is the Safety Guard You. If you want to add to your model, since it's recommended, we're going to go ahead with it. Then they have basic few terms and conditions that they want us to accept. Let's just quickly accept that and go ahead and download these model. It's a simple, intuitive process that leads us to download it. So you can either download it, you can copy, follow the instructions in README and run to download scripts. When the scripts ask for a unique custom URL, please copy and paste one of the following URLs, clicking on the URL. This is a URL that we have. And this is for my Llama 3. Let's just simply copy the URL. And now from here, we're simply going to head over to README, which is right here, following the instructions that they've given us in our Gmail account. And from right here, we're going to navigate down, read up the instructions, which is to visit the Llama website and accept the license. We've done that already. And we received a URL over email this URL that we're supposed to copy and paste this when we're prompted. So let's just quickly find that out and quickly paste it right here. These are the prerequisites they offer us. The links expire 24 hours. And once you paste that link right here into and let it run, you can simply download Meta Llama easily, quickly, and for free.